Meaning of downmarket.
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 Downmarket. Downmarket is a word used to describe a shift or transition towards a less affluent, more affordable market or audience. When a product, service, or brand moves downmarket, it is typically because they are looking to broaden their consumer base. Some potential benefits of targeting downmarket customers may include increased sales volume and greater overall revenue. However, there may also be drawbacks such as decreased brand prestige or dilution of quality perception. Overall, a move towards downmarket positioning can be a calculated business strategy that requires careful consideration of both risks and rewards.